I'm Lavanya from Lexis and Company, working as an intern. Today I'm talking about transfer petition. Now, what is a transfer petition? It is filed before the court for the purpose of transferring their case from one court to the another court. The party who intends to get his or her case transferred must file for this petition under the court on relevant grounds. Now, when is this transfer petition filed? The first and foremost object of every procedural law is to provide justice. Section 22 to 25 of CPC contains the law regarding the transfer and withdrawal of suits, appeals and other proceedings from the court from one court to another. Section 406 to 408 of Code contains the law regarding the transfer of cases and appeals. Transfer petition when filed under CPC. First is the inconvenience on the part of the plaintiff. Generally, plaintiff has the right to choose his or her forum where a suit can be filed in more than one court. The right of plaintiff cannot be curtailed or interfered, but this right can be controlled by the superior courts. The plaintiff, as arbitrators, has a right to choose his own forum and the right should not be interfered on any ground. Second is when there is an inconvenience on the part of defendant. According to Section 22 of CPC 1908, the defendant can also make an application for the transfer of suit, where a suit may be instituted in more than one court. The court where such application is made by the defendant shall, after considering the objections if made by the other parties, determine in which court the suit shall proceed. When there is a reasonable apprehension in the mind of litigant that he or she might not get the justice in the particular court where the suit is pending, it is of paramount importance that the party before the court seeking justice must get satisfactory judgment and also get their rights protected. When the transfer would avoid unnecessary expenses and delay. When the important questions of law are involved or considerable sections of public is interested in litigation, there are several cases where the questions of law are involved. Also, there are certain cases where not only 2 or 3 parties are involved, but considerate section of the public interested in the litigation is also involved. Now, when is the transfer petition filed under the CRPC? When transfer becomes necessary to ensure fair and impartial trial, when transfer causes general convenience to the parties and the witnesses, when it is expedient to meet the ends of justice,